morning children. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Okay, you asked me some time zones is left over in the first lesson that will complete today. Okay, before going to that topic, see before going to this time zone topic, there are latitudes, longitudes and grid system. What are these? What do you know about the latitudes? You all know. What is latitude? Latitudes they are the parallel lines. Okay, they are the parallel lines of around the earth, and they are even the imaginary lines also. We can call it as imaginary lines. And latitudes these latitude word comes from it derived from a Greek, the Latin word that is latitudo. Latitudo. So this latitudo derived from a Greek word that means width. That means what? Width. Okay. And we have how many latitudes? There are from 0 to the 0 degree equator. That is this is also called as imaginary lines. See, nothing but imaginary lines. And this is 0 degree equator. That is longest latitude. Okay. Around from here to here there are 180 degrees latitudes are there. 180 are there. So in that 180 from 0 to 90. 0 to 90 in North Pole, 0 to 90 in South Pole, 90 plus 90, 180. Not including the equator, not including the equator. So with the including of the equator, there are 181 latitudes are there. So we can call it as degrees in this, latitudes, degrees and seconds and minutes, and we can call it as seconds also. Seconds in this degrees, minutes and seconds will be there. And the latitudes are also valued from 0 to 90 degrees North Pole and 0 to 90 degrees South Pole. And these are all equator is the biggest latitude, and latitudes are used to locate along with the longitude. It locates the particular place on the earth. So this is about the latitudes. And we go to longitudes, even the climatic zones on the earth also we can see in the latitudes. And if you go to the longitudes are imaginary. These are also imaginary lines. Longitudes are also imaginary lines, and we can call it as a meridians also. We can call it as a meridians. And these are also almost imaginary lines, and we can call it as semicircles. Semicircles. Those are circles, latitudes are circles, and these are semicircles. And there are 360 longitudes are there. 360 longitudes. So here in this longitudes, why we can call it as a meridians? If the sun's position is on one longitude, then it is on overhead of a longitude, then it is called a meridian. Noon. So that's why it is called a meridian. Okay. And 0 degree meridians are called Greenwich meridian. Like equator, whatever the 0 degree is there, that is the 0 degree longitude is called prime meridian, or we can call it as a Greenwich meridian. So how this Greenwich meridian was started, and before that 360 longitudes are there. The 360 longitudes, how these are all, see, from the east longitudes, 180 degrees, 0 to 180 degrees from east or east longitudes, these are called east longitudes. And from 0 degrees to 180, west longitudes are called, from 0 degrees to 180 here, these are called west longitudes. So east to 180 degrees and west to 180, total how many longitudes? 360 longitudes are there. And longitudes are also expressed with the degrees and with the seconds and with the minutes. Okay, same thing as the latitudes. And longitudes are from the next several countries. When we are coming to the time zone, okay, before going to time zone, what is a grid? You learned a question about the grid system. What is meant by grid? The grid is nothing but the rectangular shape of intersecting the east shape will come. So these are, we can locate any place. What is the use of grid system is, it is intersecting both latitudes and longitudes, and wherever, somewhere in Japan, somewhere here, then we can locate very easily with the grid system, because it intersects the both latitudes and longitudes. So this is called grid system. Okay, you can get a 2 marks question as grid system. Okay, then we'll go to time zones. Actually, how the time zones are? The time zones, how they, several countries try to fix a longitude, longitude that passes through their country. 0 degree wanted to keep their country as a fixed. But what happened? Greenwich Meridian, that is in London, they made everybody followed this Greenwich Meridian. Why? Because in most of the countries were colonized by European countries only. So most of the territories were occupied by Europeans. That's why we are following this system. See this prime meridian, we are following that. It is a standard, the Greenwich Meridian time. So here how to what are the time zones and how to make it? The time zones is, therefore the world is divided. Before going to world is divided into 24 time zones. How many time zones? 24 time zones. Why they made 24 time zones? Because actually therefore the world is divided into 24 times. Greenwich Meridian, see here, it takes 4 minutes from one longitude, it travels 4 minutes from the sun's position. It takes 4 minutes from one longitude to other longitude. Okay, so it takes 4 minutes time. You just write down this 4 minutes, and each longitude's width will be 15 degrees. Okay, then what happens? This is 15 into 4, 60 minutes. So 16 minutes will take place for every meridian. From one, it travels from one longitude to other longitude. So what happens when if suppose in the afternoon some time is there, see the example, the sun is directly overhead in 10 degrees east longitude, the local time will be 12 noon. Actually local time should be 12 noon, but the time will be 11.56 minutes only. Like that it is going on. That lot of confusion will be there. That's why they made a fixed time, and every country made a fixed meridian. For example, in a standard time. For example, you take India. Indian IST time they are following, Indian Standard Time. And London, Greenwich Meridian time. Like that everybody, they'll have different, like that 24 time zones are there, and they are making their time, everyone keeping their own time there. Okay. Therefore, the world is divided into 24 time zones. That means the difference between the zone is different, and it's a lot of confusion. Notice that if you follow the calculated zone boundaries, some countries would have more more time zones are there. So for some countries 2 to 3 time zones are also there. And India would have 2-hour time zone. That means the time between the western and eastern parts with the far from northeast even more different. This is considered for complicated. For example, actually in Gujarat, the sun rises first 2 hours before the sun rises. So what happens? That compared to the Arunachal Pradesh, then there will be a difference of time between them. That's why to avoid such confusion, we started IST, Indian Standard Time. In all India, there is one standard time, so there will be no confusion. And see here, the 0 degrees to eastern longitudes it travels, then we have to add the time. We have to add the generally Earth moves like this, isn't it? So when 0 degrees to eastern countries we are going, we have to add time from the Greenwich time, and when it is going to the west, we have to subtract the time. We have to subtract the time. And in such so this is too complicated. That's why they started. Okay, that's why they started different timings they maintain. See children, when it is noon, 12 noon in the day, the Monday it is 0° longitude, it is midnight in the opposite longitude. So meridians and anti-meridians. Okay. So here some places, sometime the anti-meridian, the other time will be there. Notice that if you follow the calculated time boundaries, time zone boundaries, some countries would not have more than one time zone. Okay, and with less than 1 hour division. For example, India would have 2-hour time zones. We have 2-hour time zone. Why? Because in the north, in the south there is a, that means the time between the western and eastern parts of India would have different by 1 hour. So, with the far flung northeast even more different. This is considered too complicated to be useful. Okay, so it says in such situations, some countries choose a time along one of the meridians passes through territory and follow the time as the meridian for whole country. So that's why they made IST, Indian Standard Time, is something they have taken and that is following for, that means the total country will follow the same time here. Okay, the advantage of this, that in India, for example, wherever you are is the same time. If you are in Gujarat, if you are in Arunachal Pradesh, or if you are in Kanyakumari or Kashmir, the same time follows. That is one of the advantages. We made like that Indian Standard Time. Okay. So like this, the time zones, they may divide their country into more. Some countries, if they are very big countries, they, for their convenience, they have 2 time zones also. They implemented. Okay. So this is about the time zones, children. I think is it clear for everyone? If you have any doubts, you can ask in the zone class also. Thank you.